Heat guns are handheld devices that blow hot air ranging from between 100 and 550 degrees Celsius. They're commonly used in removing paint and shrinking tubes. Maybe you're wondering what you could possibly do with this tool other than these uses. Well, we'll say that heat guns are pretty versatile tools. Although it's not as popular as other hand tools that you often see on display racks and handyman, heat guns can be a great addition to your tool arsenal. It can be used for several different do-it-yourself projects like making an embossed t-shirt, melting crayons, aging galvanized metal, and much more. It also works great as a tool for culinary creations. If you're craving for some s'mores, no need to make a fire, simply use a heat gun and let it do the work for you. If you're looking to grab a heat gun of your own, before you click on that Buy Now button on your favorite online shopping site, watch this video and get to know the top 5 best heat guns on the market today. Well, we won't keep you in suspense any longer, so let's begin. At number 1 is the Milwaukee dual temperature heat gun. This heat gun may look like a hairdryer, but it sure is a powerful heat-throwing machine. It comes equipped with dual temperature settings, 570 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, that are perfect for tackling a wide variety of light-duty applications. Its 3-position rocker-style switch makes it easier to turn off the tool or switch from high to low temperature. This amazing product is engineered with a unique impact-resistant heating element. It has a powerful motor that provides 14.8 CFM airflow to speed up the job. Although it heats up fast and stays consistent, the Milwaukee dual temperature heat gun still stays cool despite continued use. It features a heat shield and stay cool handle that keeps the hand safe and cool even when working for extended hours. Safety comes first, as they say. As for its construction, this heat gun is made of a rugged, red-colored ABS plastic with an easy hold handle that makes it easier to carry even for longer hours. The nozzle end is made of metal with a detachable plastic heat shroud. It also has an extra long 8-foot cord that provides increased flexibility and extended reach. At number 2 on our list is the Wagner Ferno 750 heat gun. A heavy-duty heat gun with 117 different temperature settings, 6 fan speeds, and 4 nozzles. The Ferno 750 is specially crafted for heavy do-it-yourselfers who need a reliable tool for their never-ending projects. It uses a ceramic heating element and, as we mentioned, has 117 different heat settings that can be adjusted in 10-degree increments from 125 to 1300 degrees Fahrenheit. What consumers liked most about this heat gun is it releases 5100 BTUs at 1500 watts of power smoothly and consistency. The Ferno 750 has 5 fan settings and a cool-down setting that further enhances its durability and longevity. Its ergonomic design and soft grip handle remarkably increase user comfort and balance. It also reduces fatigue so you can finish more projects without stopping. This heat gun also has an LED display screen with push-button control that lets you check the settings quickly. It comes with a storage case with an angle lock feature that enables safe hands-free work. The slide bars on the gun are designed to prevent nozzles from touching your work surface. That way you can avoid accidents or damaging your surface. There's also a hanging loop for easy storage after you're done. Along with the Wagner Ferno 750 heat gun, the package includes 4 nozzles, which are concentrator nozzle, curved deflector nozzle, flare nozzle, and glass protector nozzle, as well as a 5-in-1 tool. Best of all, Wagner offers a 5-year limited warranty to ensure you won't regret your purchase. And there you have the top 2 best heat guns on the market. Did our first 2 choices spark your interest? Well, if they did, head over to the description box and click the link of your chosen product. If you have any comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate to write them below. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for further notification. And now let's get back to our list. At number 3 is the D26950 heat gun from DeWalt, a reliable tool for home and light commercial use. The D26950 heat gun has variable temperature controls that let you adjust the heat settings based on your applications. On the rear of the gun, there's a large temperature control knob that controls the temperature. It features a built-in overload protection that ensures your safety in every operation. This overload protection shuts the heating element down and prevents burnup to avoid damage to the motor and prolong the lifespan. Weighing just over 2 pounds, you'll be amazed at how great this product works. It can provide heat between 120 and 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit. Its internal components separate for easy and hassle-free maintenance on both the motor and the heating element. A built-in innovative kickstand enables you to stand the heat gun up and operate hands-free so you can accomplish other tasks at once. This 1,550 watt heat gun boasts a lightweight, compact design that lets people of all ages use it without worrying about fatigue. Its ergonomic comfort grip provides maximum comfort even during longer hours of operation. To further enhance its safety features, DeWalt has equipped this unit with a cord protector that keeps the 10-foot power cord from tearing away from the housing. No need to worry if you don't have extra space on your toolbox, because there's a built-in hanging ring on the gun that adds convenience for storage. DeWalt is an American worldwide brand of power tools and hand tools, serving many households and job sites since 1924. If you want a heat gun that comes from a trusted brand, include the DeWalt D26950 on your list. At number 4 is the Master Appliance HG201A Professional Heavy Duty Heat Gun. Don't get fooled by this product. It may look like a standard hair dryer, but this heat gun can tackle the most challenging tasks. Boasting a high temperature and power ratings of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 540 degrees Celsius, at 1,740 watts, the 14.5 amp heavy-duty Master Heat Gun is ideal not just for home and do-it-yourself use, but also for industrial applications. It comes equipped with a powerful universal motor that provides 23 CFM and 3,000 FPM airflow, which speeds up your job. This heavy-duty industrial-quality heat gun has a sturdy die-cast aluminum housing with an easily replaceable, reinforced, mica-insulated ceramic heating element. It has a 3-position rocker-type switch for high temp, off, and low temperature. Hands-free operation is also possible with this heat gun. You can free up your hands to do other tasks with the non-slip rubber-backed stand with a 90-degree rotation that holds the heat gun up. Also, working for extended hours is not an issue with this unit. Its 3.5 pounds is a lightweight design and contoured with a well-balanced handle to provide maximum comfort no matter how long it takes to get your job done. Its 6-foot 3-wire grounded cord is set as durable enough to withstand oil and sunlight exposure. The brush holders are accessible externally so you can easily replace the carbon brushes. And finally, at number 5 is the Makita 13 amp variable temperature heat gun with case. Engineered for industrial applications, the Makita variable temp heat gun is your perfect companion in doing light to heavy-duty jobs like tinting vehicle windows, removing paint, bending plastic tubes, thawing frozen pipes, and more. It features a push-button temperature control that lets you adjust the heat from 122 to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit. The gun has a slide switch for 3 airflow settings: cooling, low, and high. These features enable you to match the temperature and airflow to the task at hand, making it perfect for demanding applications. The Makita 13 amp variable temperature heat gun boasts a compact, lightweight design. It's just 2 pounds in weight and lets you finish various projects, minimizing hand fatigue even after hours of consistent use. The gun's rubberized pistol grip handle provides optimum comfort, while the integrated rear stand supports it in an upright position. All of these for convenient, hassle-free operation. Another feature you shouldn't miss is the overheat protection, built-in tether notch, and the 6.6-foot power cord. The overheat protection keeps the gun from incorrect operation or overheating. This unit is compatible with various nozzle accessories, making it suitable for multiple applications. Accessories are sold separately. It comes complete with glass protection nozzle to safeguard heat-sensitive materials. There's also a case to keep the gun and its accessories securely organized. That sums up our review of the top 5 best heat guns on the market. Heat guns' uses are unlimited. It works great in repairing cars, stripping paint, thawing frozen pipes, drying damp wood, and even in searing meats or melting chocolates. Versatile enough to tackle various jobs. So what did you think of our video? If you liked it, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for more reviews like this. We also greatly appreciate reading your thoughts and suggestions, so don't forget to leave a comment below. You can find these featured heat guns by heading over to the description box. Make sure to check out the links for more information as well as where to get them. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.